Taki pan nagrywa?
Zapraszam.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry. This way?
Tak, this way.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Utkarsh, I live in Poland and I make vlogs. If you are new to the channel, so just make sure you hit subscribe. The time right now is almost like 5:30 in the morning. And last night while I was going to sleep, I just decided that I haven't been to the mountains. Today I'm going to the Śleza mountains. So right now I'm just walking towards the Dworzec Autobusy, like the main bus station of the city Wrocław. I'll try to vlog as much as I can, so just stay tuned. Maybe I left too early, but if you wanna climb, the mountains, go for some hike. So you should always go early in the morning because you'll have chances to return back the same day to Wrocław, like in the evening or night. I don't know why there are so many people on that bus stop. It's crazy, like maybe they are just going home after party, I had like no idea how the city looks like early morning because I haven't been so early anywhere. Like I'm not a morning person, but you can see the excitement. I've barely slept like 3 hours. For me, the thing is I love to travel. So if I know that I have to go anywhere in the morning, I'll be the first person to wake everybody up. But today I'm not going with any of my friends. I'm going alone. Why not? Traveling solo is fun, bro. So if you haven't traveled alone anywhere, just travel alone. It'll just boost your confidence. You'll feel more self-confident, and that's very important. If you are living abroad, then I think self-confidence, you should have a lot of confidence, bro, because you can get into troubles, you can get into scenarios which will be like not so good for you. Know what I'm saying?
To learn how to talk to a lady.
Basically, this is a train station, Wrocław Główny, but I'm not going to take trains. I'm going to take bus. And this is also a mall like Wrocławia, you must have seen. This is the entrance to the main bus station, Dworzec Autobusy. Tickets, but I'm not sure if this is I don't know. Okay, we're good. Dzień dobry. Mówisz po angielski?
Tak.
I have to buy bus ticket to Sobotka.
In the bus, platform number 1.
I can buy in the bus.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Dziękuję. Do widzenia.
Ask your mom.
So basically the lady told me that I can buy the tickets directly in the bus, which is quite weird. I haven't done it before, but let's see how it goes. And she told me platform number 1. So here they have all the timetables and the name of the cities where the bus goes. So I have to go to Spodka. So I can see the bus is 6:05, and I think that's the lady told platform number 1. So I have to catch this bus. I think it's pretty cool. These are all the platforms, and actually this bus station is underground. See, bro. So the lady told me that the bus will be at 6:05, and I can see the next bus is at 7:20. I barely slept at night because I had the thought that I have to catch the bus at 6 a.m. But I can see the bus is at 7:20. Okay, I'm gonna buy something, bro. These are all the platforms. I'm at the platform number 1, and there are all the platforms, and all the buses, they come at the different platforms. So everything is so organized. This is the best thing I like about Poland. The transportation is really good and really very organized. It's really good. You can see one of the different bus which is going to Oleszówka. It came. So I'm just waiting for my bus which will come over here, platform number 1. And you can see my nails, right? It looks pretty good. So basically I was trying to search the name of the city on the Google, और एक तो नाम भी ऐसे यहाँ ये कुछ टाइप ही नहीं होता है, बताओ. The struggle is real, bro. तो ये गाइस देखिए, ये एक इधर बस है सिंधबाद. ये ऐसा हिंदी नाम ही लगता है सिंधबाद, पता नहीं, मुझे तो लगता है. वैसे ऐसे यहाँ पे पोलैंड में बहुत सारी कंपनीज हैं, बट द मोस्ट पॉपुलर इज Flixbus, which is a German company. Today I'm not going with Flixbus, but personally I love Flixbus. If you're coming to Europe, if you are coming to Poland, So just make sure you try Flixbus. This is like the cheapest option you can get to travel around the Europe. The tickets are like so damn cheap, and they have the bus service.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Zapraszam, Sobotka, ticket. Ile kosztuje?
7,70.
Dziękuję.
Minutes later.
Hey guys, so finally I think I've made it, but I'm pretty not sure where I'm right now. So, oh yeah, here is the map. Actually, I have to go hiking all the way to the top. So let me just figure it out how to go from here. Currently we are at... where are we? Okay. Guys, so right now I'm so confused because I don't really know how to go to the the top of the, but I think I'll figure it out eventually. So let me just show you around the quick little town. So the name of this town is Sobotka. If you are coming from Wrocław, you can just take a bus to Sobotka. That's what I did, and just show me around the little quick. So this is how the town looks like. This is my first impression. It seems like a very small town with houses and church. Expecting this is a church right here, and in Poland you can find the church everywhere. So let me just show you how the... Matki Novis Anglesli. Sorry, I cannot pronounce it. I'm really sorry. I think boarded off the bus at some wrong station, because yeah, definitely bro, I'm so lost right now, but just using my common sense, and I'm just walking towards the hill. But I actually like the town. There's very quiet, peaceful, and there are a lot less people. But I think it's too early to judge that. So if you have never been to a small Polish town, so this is how the small cities look like. So it took me exactly 45 minutes from Wrocław to this town Sobotka. I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. And the time right now is 7:36. Hey guys, so update is that I think I'm probably lost. I don't really know where I'm going, but this seems like the correct direction. It feels like I'm going out of the city. This is actually my first time visiting this city. I just made this quick plan last night, so I had no idea how to actually reach. Let me just go and ask somebody if I'm going to the correct direction. Seems like there's a person here. Let me go and ask. Zapraszam.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Tak, okej.
This way?
Tak, this way.
You speak English, mówisz po angielsku.
No.
Okay, cool, perfect, super. We've got this way, right?
Yeah. Tak.
8 kilometer?
Aha. This way.
Aha.
Ścieżka, las.
Okay.
Do góry są.
Okay, super. Like how far? 8 kilometer?
Tak.
Okay, cool, super. Dziękuję.
Mhm.
Do widzenia. Bye. So the guy I met there was like really nice. He told me that yeah, I have to actually walk 8 kilometers. I think it's too much, but let's see if I make it. I'm quite surprised. You know, the guy I met there was like super nice. He was doing his like work, cleaning something, but he left all his work and he just told me that yeah, you have to go 8 kilometers straight and then you'll find the trail, the hiking path. Yeah guys, this is how it looks like. It feels like I'm alone. Nobody literally like there's nobody behind me or ahead of me. Most of the people who come here, they come by their own car or you know their own vehicles. सबके पास अपनी गाड़ियाँ होती हैं यहाँ यूरोप में. अपन के पास कुछ भी नहीं है. What I'm talking about, bro. भाई अपन को उधर जाना है, वो ऊपर कहीं. पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है, नहीं हो पाएगा अपन से. So it seems like pretty long day and I'm already tired. I just woke up and just took the bus. I haven't even like ate something. I'm so hungry, bro. So I'm assuming this is the trail path which the guy was talking about. यार यहाँ पे इन्होंने ये लगाया हुआ है, मतलब इसका मतलब है क्या? ये तो खाली होटल और कुछ एडवर्टाइजमेंट लग रही है, पता नहीं भाई. यार टू बी ऑनेस्ट समझ नहीं आ रहा जाना किधर है, पर अपन चलते रहेंगे बस, रुकना नहीं है. 8 मीटर चल के dobry.
Taki pan nagrywa?
Nie mówię polskiego. Hey guys, so the update is that I'm still pretty lost. I don't know bro where I'm walking, but I'm just walking towards the hill. It's like I'm all alone here by myself. There's literally nobody around here. And यहाँ पे कुछ construction चल रहा है. पता नहीं भाई. मुसाफिर हैं चलते रहेंगे. Hello, Saprasham. Are you movies for English?
Yeah.
This is the correct path? Ocean 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers. Okay, dziękuję. Do widzenia. I have to ask another man because I was not pretty sure where I was going, but seems like I'm going to the correct direction, so let's just hope I make it. I'm already out of breath. Okay, so I found something historical and leisure. Sena, devoted to the book of take a rest on the bench, think about it next. Okay, so as I can read the book of, I don't know what's this name, found in Sobotka. So during the Second World War, the Lower Silesia was for Germans, and where they could safely hide all the culture. So basically this whole area of the Lower Silesia was under Germany before the World War. Maybe they found some book, like some historical book. I think that's what it's all about. This is pretty crazy. Basically this is like a book place. So you can just have any of the books. There are so many places to sit. You can just sit down, relax and just read books. I think it's a great thing, and there are like few English books as well, I can see. But अपन को book नहीं पढ़ना, अपन चलेंगे mountains पे. So right now I'm just standing here and I'm thinking, should I take this path through the woods? Seems like quite scary. I mean, not scary, but I don't know, like literally there's like nobody here. I'm not sure, like should I take the route where all the vehicles are going, or should I take the forest?
Six and a half hours later.
Hey guys, so it's been like 5 minutes. I'm just walking towards the hill. I don't know bro, like it's hard, but it's actually fun. And today is a very special day for me. It's 27th of July. It's officially my birthday. And guess how old today I turned. So let's have a quick challenge. Can you guess my age, like how old I turned today? And the person who tells me the exact age correctly will get something. Some special giveaway, okay? Just comment down below, okay? Like how old I turned today, bro. Whoa, feels like I made somewhere. Let's see, what is this? So to jest Prijalik pod Vision Dom Turisti pod Vies. Jesus, I don't know, what is this? English. Sorry, no English. So I think I just made to the beginning of the hiking path. What is this? What is all this? I don't know what's all this.